She spotted him like. He said, man,
shut up on your turn.
And here comes Spiky. And here comes Spiky. Oh, mais Spiky a parlé. Quittez maman, partner. M'pas jouer avant. Ooh, shit. Spiky looks so beautiful. Spiky. Damn, Spiky look beautiful right now. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with Spiky. Where's Spiky? T'es un garçon that m'a avec lui. Oh my goodness. Leave him, leave him. Okay, he's submitting. He didn't do anything. He didn't do anything. Leave him. He didn't do anything. And look at this punk over here. Spiky's not playing no more. I know.
He's over.
And look at this one hiding in front of me. Denson, with that big head and those big teeth, you're such a punk.